September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control in the driver's seat.
Friends, reality is that there is a tough competition in the outside world. It is so tough that you are kicked off from that competition if you are not having a best impression. It's a jungle outside and everyone is thinking of defeating one another. If you are the best, then only you can survive in the outside world. To survive, the main thing that is very important is your best impression. You have to defeat your competitors by having a best first impression. In today's video, I will be going to share with you 3 secrets that will help you to grow as a confident and a best person with having a good best impression. So be with me till the video. Do watch this video till the end. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that in future you can get the notification for the same. Now, among the secrets, 3 secrets. First is excellent nonverbal communication. Now, it is everything that somebody feels, touch, smell about you. Now, how many times you see a people, observe a people, and take the judgment what kind of people that he is. Now, they didn't say anything, they didn't shake hands with you, but by observing only, you take the judgment what kind of person he is. That's a non-verbal communication. You should have excellent body language. Stand up straight, heads up, chest up, shoulders at the back, smile on your face, and proper eye-to-eye contact while conversation. That's a proper body language with non-verbal communication. The number 1 aspect in non-verbal communication is absolutely your style. How you dress up, how you clothe yourself and present yourself in front of the others is absolutely critical. Now, to understand a proper body language or proper non-verbal communication, take a situation in which 2 guys equally qualified approach for an interview. They are having the same goal to achieve the success or to crack the interview, but between the two, one guy is wearing big baggy clothes, he is nervous, he is wrinkled, he has put his zero effort into his personality, what to wear and what not to wear. On the other hand, second guy is wearing proper clothes, he is very confident, proper tight fitting clothes, proper dapper look, and he is not nervous. So according to you, who will crack the interview, or company will prefer which guy? Sure, I'm damn sure the second guy who is very confident with proper clothing, how to carry himself, equally qualified, company will choose that guy. That means non-verbal communication with your proper body language is equally important in any of your activity, in any of your life. So by this situation, we can say that with proper body language, with proper non-verbal communication, and with proper clothing style, you can crack any of the life skills, any of the life situations in front of you. Friends, the second secret is verbal communication. Now, you have observed many people with having proper personality, proper physique, and they know how to dress them up for different situations. But when they start speaking, it is like, what the hell he is. So with good personality, with good dressing skills, you have to learn how to speak. You have to learn the verbal communication, what to speak and what not to speak, according to the situations you are dealing in. Now, the third secret is, whenever you are having a conversation with anyone, or whether you have been to an interview, try to give some compliment to the other person, or you are having conversation with other person, try to give some compliment. It will look good and you will be more confident while talking to him, because you have to provide comfort to the other person while talking, while having a conversation with him. So your first impression will be best because you're complimenting the other person on his look, on his appearance, on his clothes, on his qualities, whatever you are having, you know about him. That means these are the 3 secrets which I shared with you. If you like the video, do give thumbs up. Give me feedback in my comment section how you like this video. Share this video as much as you can in your Facebook and WhatsApp group. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that in future you can get the notifications for the same. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.